The best guide to affiliate marketing for newbies. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online by promoting other people's products or services and getting a cut of the sales. It is possible for beginners to do, but it takes work and careful planning. This complete tutorial will teach you all you need to know about affiliate marketing, including how to start your own profitable affiliate business. 1. Picking your niche. Choosing a profitable niche is the first step to making money with affiliate marketing. A niche is a certain area of interest or skill. Think about these things: passion and knowledge. Pick a niche that you care about and know a lot about. This makes it more fun and real to generate content. Market demand. Look into how much demand there is for your specialization in the market. You can find keywords that have a lot of searches and not a lot of competition by using keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, and SEMrush. Profit potential. Look into how much money your niche may make. Look at the commission rates that affiliate networks in your niche offer and how likely they are to help you make a lot of sales. Competition. Look at the other businesses in your niche. Some rivalry is good, but stay away from niches that are too crowded, as it might be hard to stand out. 2. Building your online presence. After you pick a niche, make a place to share your material and sell affiliate products. Blog or website. A blog or website is the best way to develop a long-term internet presence. Make a professional-looking website with interesting content using a platform like WordPress. Social media. Use sites like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest to share your content and interact with the people you want to reach. There are several optimal ways to get people to interact on each platform. YouTube channel. You can share videos on a YouTube channel, which will help you reach more people and keep them interested. Video is a great way to show off products and develop trust. 3. Finding and joining affiliate programs. There are many affiliate programs that let you market their goods or services. Think about these choices. Amazon Associates. A well-known way to market things on Amazon. It has a lot of different things, so it's a wonderful place to start. ShareASale is a big affiliate network that connects you with a lot of different merchants and products. It's a great way to locate a lot of different items to promote. ClickBank. This site is all about digital things, such ebooks, software, and online courses. If you want to sell digital goods, this is an excellent choice. Individual company programs. A lot of businesses have their own affiliate programs, which usually pay bigger commissions. Joining a company's affiliate program directly can give you greater assistance and possibly higher commissions. 4. Making high-quality content. To get and keep your audience, you need to make content that is useful and interesting. Pay attention to keyword optimization. Add relevant keywords to your article to help it rank higher in search engines. To get organic visitors, you need to do good SEO. Write in a way that is clear, simple, and interesting to your intended audience. Interesting material keeps readers intrigued and makes them want to buy. Product reviews. Write honest and fair reviews of products to assist your readers make smart buying choices. Reviews that are honest establish trust and make you look more credible. Tutorials and how-to guides. Offer useful tutorials and how-to guides that are relevant to your niche and the things you promote as an affiliate. This gives your viewers something of value and makes you look like an authority in your subject. 5. Promoting your affiliate links. Be honest and ethical when you promote your affiliate links. Natural integration. Don't use language that is too promotional when you add affiliate links to your content. Click-through rates go up when ads are placed naturally. Full disclosure. Be open about your affiliate relationships to develop trust with your audience and keep things clear. For ethical affiliate marketing, being open is really important. Keeping an eye on your results. Use tracking tools to see how well your affiliate links are doing and figure out which techniques work best. You can improve your strategy by looking at your results. 6. Getting more people to see your work. To get people to keep coming back, you have to work hard and stay involved. Social media marketing. Share your material on social media to get it in front of more people. Email marketing. Build your email list to keep leads interested and offer affiliate products to a very specific group of people. Community engagement. Talk to your audience, answer their queries, and establish relationships to keep them coming back. To run a successful affiliate marketing business, you need to be dedicated, plan ahead, and follow the rules. This tutorial gives you a solid start, but to be successful in the long run, you need to keep learning and adapting.